The Zimbabwe music industry has lost one of its talented sons in Soul Jah Love. He passed away on Tuesday, the 16th of February. Soul Musaka was his real name. He was a multi-award-winning Zimdancehall artist and songwriter. He was well known for his touching songs. Soul was a lyrical genius. He was also known by his other aliases like Chibaba and mwah Stembeni. Messages of condolences are pouring in from all over the world. Here at Zimbabwe Music Meanings, we also join with the others in sending healing prayers and comforting hugs to Soul's family, friends, fans, and indeed all music-loving peoples of this world. Rest in peace, Dancehall King. Rest in peace, Soul Jah Love. We will hold on to the richness of the music you left. Legends never die, your music lives on. Tell us in the comment box down below some of your favorite songs from Soul Jah Love.